Hello guys. This is a cool game I found. It's called Calculator. Basically, how it would work is you pick a character. As an example, you can pick one. Then you get the binoculars. Then after that, you spot the treasure, which is this. But then the stick thing comes out, and then you gotta get the X, the arrow, or the crossbow. Let's just say I picked the X. And I got 1,062 points. But here's how you would get the most amount of points in this game. Basically, let me switch to regular mode, cause to get to new game plus mode, it's much harder. So I'm gonna show you how to get the most points in standard/regular mode. Basically, what you do is you pick the best character out of all of these. The best one is 9. There's like a bunch of cool glitches with 9, and he's just like the strongest character out of all of these. You then get the binoculars, and then find the treasure. Stick thing comes out, and then you get the X. The reason why you get the X is because it's also one of the things that gives you the most points. And you see, I got 5,782 points. That's much larger than the points I got here. Last time, I mean. Not here. 10,062 is the point I got last time. Oh, and there's also a cool glitch with 9. Basically, what you can do with 9 is that if you press them like a bunch of times, like this, a bunch of duplicate 9s will show up. About 16 is the maximum amount. But the thing is, after you get 16, you can't get the binoculars anymore. That's one of the things that happen when you get 16. So, you have to remove one of the 9s and get the binoculars. You then find the treasure again. The stick monster will again show up. Get the X again. Oops, I think I just did the other glitch. That's what I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I did another glitch. Let me just redo it again, alright? You then get the X again. And then see how many points you got. This is how many points you got. That's how you would get probably the highest score in calculator. Or calculator. It is different on how you pronounce it. I like to say calculator. That's how the creator said it was said. People who say calculator, that's okay, but I'd rather say calculator. Once you get that maximum amount of points, you can now move on to New Game Plus mode, where you get a bunch of new calculator characters. Now 9 isn't the best character anymore. You gotta get this guy. They all function weirdly. You gotta get this guy first, and then this guy. Oopsies. I think I did it wrong. Guys, be right back, guys. Alright. Alright. So, you get 9 again, right? Actually, no. I'm kind of confused. I mostly play standard mode. I'm not really used to scientific mode. First, you get this guy. He's called Pi. You see how he has a lot of jumbo letter and stuff? This is how you're gonna help. This is gonna help you a lot. You then get this guy over here. It'll become an even longer strand of letters. You then continue doing that until it's gonna take a long time, alright? This will give you 1. Then, after that, you multiply it by 9, but x2, this will give you 81. Then after that, you continue pressing x2, as by doing that, a glitch has occurred where you can spam the characters, like x2 over here. And you see, I'm racking up a bunch of points like that. And look, you hit the integer limit. It is now overflow. And that's how you get the maximum amount of points in Calculator. This is the maximum amount of points you can get in Calculator.